This technology is called Flipgrid. The first time I've ever used Flipgrid was in this classroom. Actually, I've heard of it before, but it's something I've never actually used. Although when I was teaching online, I definitely wish I had this technology, because what it does is it allows the teacher and the students to create short videos, and you can reply back and forth, and it allows for more of a personal touch. It allows you to get the expression. It allows people to do something besides just typing on a document or writing on a piece of paper. You can create groups. You can join a group or create it. You can filter it, and then you would just click this camera button and you could record. There's a ton of different options. I'm just going to look at the one that we did in this class just to give an idea of what Flipgrid looks like. You can see there's a lot of different pages. You would just click on one and you go in there, and it has the professor's video or the teacher's video, and then all the different replies. Again, I think Flipgrid would be something that kind of gets students or teachers out of their shell. Instead of just typing in a document, it allows for a unique teaching and learning experience. I could see this used in my classroom in terms of book reports or something like that. Instead of having a student go up in front of the entire class and give a book report, they could do something like a Flipgrid, which might be a little bit less stressful. It allows them to try it multiple times. So again, Flipgrid is just a different tool to add into the classroom. Again, it's something I wish I had knowledge of when I was doing my online teaching. Thanks.